Good night, teacher. My name is Viviana Garcia. It's a pleasure to greeting you. Also for me can be here and share with you my video about my shorts. In this moment, before to start, I want to tell you this type of activity I usually do on Friday because my house needs cleaning for the weekend because you receive your visit. It could be your relatives. In my case, is my mother. So when she arrives, she checks everything looks perfect and looks perfect and very clean. So let's continue with my first activity, that is clean my floor. I like it looks new and very clean. So I really enjoy when you can see a floor that looks like a mirror. Okay, the next activity I do is doing the laundry. So I want to present or show you my great washing machine that is very efficient and excellent because you can wash and dry the clothes at the same time. So I really recommend you this type of machine. Okay, the next activity is I cleaning my stuff because I really like it looks perfect because it's the first place that my mother visit when she arrives because she as a housekeeper her kitchen is like her head office because it's her work. So for this reason I really have to be ready when my mother arrives. Okay, the next activity is feeding my plant. It is my friend because I have only one plant in my living room. So it's important you can keep very healthy your plants. Okay, in this picture also I was cleaning my dining room. I think it's a place very important because it's a place where you have a breakfast, have a lunch, and for this reason it's very important this place. It can be ready and very clean. Okay, the next activity I usually do is dusting. I like it looks green wherever you go in my house. I really there is very clean because if you don't clean every day, you can find the dusting everywhere. So for this reason, in this picture I clean my TV because when you sitting and watch TV you can see the dust on that. So I really hate it. Okay, and finally I want to add this place that I really like and I want to share with you, that is nothing is more exhausting than the task that never started at hand. Okay, teacher, that's all. Thank you for coming here. Thank you for see this video and presentation. Thank you for the video. Bye.